If you want to become an online personal fitness trainer, but you have no idea where to start, do you need a certification first? How do you find clients? And most importantly, do you actually make money doing this? I get it. Figuring out how to build a profitable online coaching business can feel super overwhelming. But the good news is that it's way simpler than you think if you follow the right steps. So in this video, I'm breaking down exactly how to go from zero to running a legit online fitness coaching business. I'm going to be sharing some must-have tools to help you stay organized, automate your business, and make things run smoother. Let's get into it. So before we jump into the steps, let's talk about why online coaching is such a great opportunity. Unlike training clients in a gym where you're stuck trading hours for money, an online coaching business gives you more flexibility, more income potential, and the ability to scale beyond just one-to-one sessions. You're not limited by location, your income isn't capped by how many sessions you can physically do in a day, and you can create different offers like group coaching, digital products, or subscription-based memberships. More people than ever are looking for online trainers, so if you set yourself up in the right way, this can be a profitable and sustainable business. Step 1, begin working on your certification. You don't need a certification to coach online, but having one definitely helps build trust and make sure you're giving safe, effective advice. Some of the top options include NASM, which is the National Academy of Sports Medicine. This is personally where I got my personal training certificate, and it's great for learning how to train clients safely with a focus on injury prevention. They go in depth on everything about your body, so it's very, very comprehensive. Another one is called ACE, which is the American Council on Exercise, and this covers fitness coaching and how to actually motivate clients to stick to their goals. There's also the International Sports Sciences Association, which is a flexible, self-paced option that teaches you the basics of personal training. Most certifications take a few months, but I highly recommend not waiting until you're done to start building your business. While you're studying, I highly recommend start putting yourself out there, sharing content and talking about what you do. The sooner you start, the more confident you'll feel when it's time to take on clients. Step number 2 is to market online. And like I said, if you want to start attracting clients, start putting yourself out there before you actually have your certification. The best way to do this is to pick a platform like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube and start sharing valuable content. You don't need to be an expert, just document your journey. Share what you're learning, break down common fitness mistakes, or post simple workout tips. The key is to provide value while also making people feel like they know and trust you. People don't just buy coaching, they invest in a coach they connect with. That's why showing up consistently and sharing your perspective and building a personal brand makes all the difference. Step number 3 is to build your email list. Social media is great, but at the end of the day, you don't own those platforms. If Instagram gets shut down tomorrow, you'll lose all of your audience. That's why you need an email list. Start collecting emails as early as possible so you have a direct way to connect with potential clients. The easiest way to do this is by creating a simple freebie, like a short guide on common fitness mistakes or a quick start workout plan. You can set up a basic landing page where people can sign up in exchange for your freebie. And now you have a list of potential clients you can stay in touch with. And you can quickly make a free lead magnet on Canva or Kittle AI. There's so many different options for where you can go ahead and get started. And Canva even has a free plan where you can get started for $0. They just don't have as many templates, but creating maybe a habit tracker or a workout guide can be super, super simple on there. For email marketing itself, I highly recommend ActiveCampaign. Helps you stay connected with potential and current clients without having to message everyone individually. As a personal trainer, this means you can automate follow-ups and send helpful fitness tips and even promote special offers or new coaching programs, all on autopilot. Building an email list is key because social media reach can be unpredictable, but emails land directly in your audience's inbox. This keeps you top of mind and makes it easier to turn followers into paying clients. So if you want to get started growing your list and staying in touch, again, I highly recommend ActiveCampaign, and I've left that link down in the description if you want to get started. Step number 4 is to set up your website. It's really important to have a at least simple website where clients can find you and really get to know you and see your work. You don't need anything complicated, even just a basic 1 or 2 page site with an about section, details on your coaching, and a way for people to contact you is enough. Wix is such a great option for this because it's super easy to use and lets you build a professional looking site without needing any tech skills. If you want to check out Wix, I left the link in the description and I'm going to briefly show you how you can get started. Wix is super easy and you can get started for free. The only difference is that the Wix branding will still be on there. If you want to get the Wix branding taken away, you will have to upgrade your plan. But if you want to get started, go ahead and click the link in the description and go ahead and type in your email address. Go ahead and click start now. So I already currently have a site that I'm gonna just show you how everything works within Wix. But if you wanted to create a new site, you just have to click create new site. We'll go ahead and click start chat. So all we have to do is tell it what we want. We'll do a fitness coaching business for women who struggle with body image and want a healthy, sustainable approach to being healthy. Go ahead and click next. Aspire Fitness. Skip this question. Again, you can add as much detail as you would like. Let's do bright yellows and light pinks. And you can tell it the history of your fitness coaching business. Go to dashboard. So now you can connect a domain. You can add your first service, your working hours, payment method, design your site. So that's what we're going to go ahead and click into. Generate with AI. You can go ahead and tweak the design if you would like. If not, you can select continue with this design and then we'll go ahead and continue to the editor. So Wix is super easy and intuitive and editing your site is super simple. So as you can see on the little sidebar over here, this is where you add elements. So this will be, headings, menu, gallery, embedded code. And then over here is a section. So if you wanted to add a whole new section, they have some templates here, or you can just add a blank section as well. Here's your navigation. So if you wanted to edit the site menu, you would do that here. You can also select the colors. Maybe you want to switch it up, try something new. We can go ahead and do that too. Again, super easy and super simple. They also have a whole bunch of apps that you can check out yourself as well. And then here is something that will be really helpful is to create your first service. So then you can take online bookings here, but again, you do have to upgrade to that as well. Just so you're aware, I want to quickly walk through the different options for you because it is free for certain things, but it does have the Wix branding on there, but you also don't have access to Wix booking, which will be really helpful for a fitness coaching business. Okay, so they do have a couple options here. I'll just quickly walk through them. So for the light plan, this is just the basics. It's $17 a month and you get a free domain for 1 year, 2 gigabytes of storage, multi-cloud hosting, 2 site collaborators, and the light marketing suite. With the core, this is $29 a month and you get everything that's included in the light, but you also are able to accept payments and you get the basic e-commerce, 5 site collaborators. And then they have the business, which is to grow your brand, and this is $36 a month. You get everything included with the core, but you get more storage, as well as you get the standard e-commerce and 10 site collaborators. And then lastly is the business elite, which is scaling your business. And this is $159 a month and you get everything that's included with the business, but you get unlimited storage space, you get the advanced marketing suite, you get advanced e-commerce and advanced developer platform, and 100 site collaborators. So again, make sure you're picking the plan that works best for you. Again, you can get started for free just to make sure this would be a good fit for you. And they do have a 14-day free trial, so you can check out the paid plans too. But if you're just getting started, the light plan should be just fine, or even the free plan for now. Okay, now it's time to get your back end organized. So you've been marketing yourself, you've been building your email list and setting up your website. Now it's time to make sure your business runs smoothly behind the scenes. First, you'll need a way to keep track of clients, workouts, and progress. Notion is perfect for this because you can create client databases, store workout plans, and keep everything in one simple place. You'll also need a payment processor like Stripe or PayPal, or you can use Wix directly as well. And if you want to deliver workouts online, you can use different coaching platforms like Trainerize or True Coach, which will make your life so much easier. I personally have used Trainerize and it is so comprehensive, and True Coach is a little bit more just workout based. Trainerize has a ton of habits and stuff that you can put in there and track nutrition all in one place. And then True Coach is mainly just for workouts, but they do have some more comprehensive stuff as well. But getting all of this set up before you start taking clients will save you a ton of stress later on, so don't skip this step. If you want to check out Notion for organizing your business, I have put that link down in the description below. I just wanted to quickly show you how you can use Notion. So I use it for my CRM. I track client progress in there. I have trainings and just pretty much everything that you can think of is organized in Notion. So this is just an example of the CRM database that I have. So I have, all the people that have applied to coaching. I've got people who have a report call booked, a sales call booked, long-term follow-up, etc. So I can keep track, and then I've got all the current clients down here. So as you can see, it's a really great way to stay organized, and you can customize it to fit your needs. And Notion does have a free plan as well. And again, I've left that link in the description below. Step number 6 is to start selling your coaching. Now that you've been marketing yourself for months, building your email list, getting your business set up, it's time to start selling. By now, you should already have people in your audience who trust you. So instead of launching to an empty room, you'll have potential clients who are ready to sign up. You could start with one-on-one coaching, which is the easiest way to begin, but don't be afraid to branch out into group coaching or digital products later on. If you follow these steps, you'll be in a position where people already see you as a coach and will be excited to work with you. If you're serious about turning your fitness passion into a profitable online coaching business, this is the roadmap to get there. One of the most important things you can do is focus on providing value while marketing yourself. Instead of just promoting your service, share helpful tips, answer common questions, and show people that you genuinely understand their struggles. When you consistently offer value, people start to trust you, and trust is what turns followers into paying clients. And if you want to make the process even easier, I've linked all of my favorite tools that we chatted about today. So Notion, Wix, ActiveCampaign, so you can stay organized. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. I'd absolutely love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you build profitable side hustles and online businesses. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.